Simple past, be. In this lesson, we'll look at how to form the past of the be verb. Let's read this. Mark Twain, 1835 to 1920. Mark Twain was an American writer. His real name was Samuel Clemens. Mark Twain was his pen name. He was from a small town near the Mississippi River, and many of his books were about that area. His books were popular when he was alive, and they are still popular now. Let's look at the verb be. Here we have many examples of be in the past. Was, were, because books are plural, were, one more was, but look here, are. This is in the present because his books are still popular now. Let's look at the verb chart for be in the past. This is the chart for the simple past form of be. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, and they were. Notice there are two forms, was and were. Notice that they don't look like be. Again, be is always a little different. And the plural forms are all the same, were. You already know how to use the be verb in the present. She is a student, he is in the kitchen, they are happy. The use in the past is the same. So these sentences in the past would be, she was a student, maybe she isn't anymore. He was in the kitchen, maybe now he's in the living room. They were happy. They were happy on their trip. Here's another example of be in the past. John was at work late last night. It was 11 p.m. He was very tired. No one else was in the office. The lights were off, so it was dark. Let's look for the past forms of be. Do you see them? Was, were, because lights are plural, and was. Put it in the past. Okay, here we have some sentences in the simple present. Bob and Helen are on vacation. They are at a beach in Mexico. They are very happy because the weather is beautiful, the people are friendly, and the food is delicious. Take a moment. Maybe you want to pause the video. Put this in the past. So you need to find the be verb and then change it to the past form. Let's look for the be verb together. Are, is, are, and is. Okay, are you ready to see the answers? Bob and Helen were on vacation. They were at a beach in Mexico. They were very happy because the weather was beautiful, the people were friendly, and the food was delicious. Let's do it again. Put it in the past. First, here it is in the present. Jane is at work today. Her computer is on. There are many papers on her desk. Her coffee is hot. She is very busy. Find the be verb and change them all to the past. Ready? Okay. Jane was at work yesterday. Her computer was on. There were many papers on her desk. Her coffee was hot. She was very busy. we have all these past forms of be, and also notice that we changed today to yesterday to make it the past. Now you know from this lesson that the simple past of be has two forms. John was at work late last night. Bob and Helen were on vacation in Mexico last summer.